What's going on, guys? Today I have this metal key fob cover that I picked up on Amazon, and I really like putting these key fob covers on my car keys because after about 5 years my keys look heavily damaged and scratched. So instead of replacing the key fob for $200 or more at the dealer, this is a very good and cheap alternative. They do also offer this in carbon fiber and as well as a few other designs, but I think this one looks really good. It adds a little bit of bulk to the key. However, really it's not that much. And because these keys these days, you walk up to the car and it's got keyless entry and stuff, I just leave this in my pocket. It's really not a big deal that it's slightly thicker. So to install this key fob cover, simply take our existing key fob, slip it into the silicone cover, and make sure the center is aligned. And now all we do is we take the back plate, sit it on the key fob, top plate, sit it on there, and we simply screw in four screws on the bottom. And there you go, the key fob cover is installed. Again, adding just a little bit of bulk. I haven't really noticed anything with the distance and range. Again, this is a plastic that looks like metal, so the range and stuff really isn't affected. The buttons line up perfectly. It does really make the key feel solid and hefty, I will say. And let's go ahead and install that clip cover as well. It comes with 2 screws in the back. We just have to loosen those up first. And we just grab the rubber strap, insert it into the key fob, slip it into the clip, and screw down tight. And there you go, that is the clip installed. Again, really easy to clip on and off of things. Again, that is a quick look at the BMW key fob cover. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below as well. This was about 25 bucks, and I really like it in this gunmetal color. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this key fob cover on your keys, and would you get one and put it on your keys, or do you just like having no protection on your keys? Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out car videos on my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.